Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I still think this is a 1, I still think this is a 2, I still think we're in a wave 3. If this is a wave 3, you should go to the 161% Fibonacci extension of wave 1, projected out the bottom of wave 2, which is all the way up to about the 2550 area. So I am still very, very bullish on gold. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still think this first push up is the wave 1 I was showing you on the monthly. I still think this is a big ABC of 2. I think this is subdivisions of a wave 3, like a 1 of 3, ABC 2 of 3, and I think we're in a wave 3 of 3. If this is a wave 3 of 3, then this may end up being a very, very strong trend, and it may just keep on going. I would definitely, for sure, try to focus on longs on shorter time frames. Now, going down to the daily, I was saying yesterday that it probably will take out the low of wave 4, which still seems pretty likely to me because of this five-way pattern to the upside, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I still think it is possible that it will turn down, take out the low of wave 4 before it actually goes up. But if this is a wave 3 of 3 on the weekly monthly, which I think it is, I wouldn't be surprised one bit if it makes a higher low, keeps on making higher highs, higher lows, and just keeps on trending up, which is why I say that you really need to be primarily focused on going long on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I still have my Fibonacci retracement on this move. I still think there is a possibility that it is going to go down because this does look like a trend to me, like a wave A. This move up could be a wave B. It could definitely turn at a fib level, go down for a wave C, and then later on continue up. I still think that is a very likely possibility. But like I said, the fact that we're in a wave 3 of 3 on the weekly tells me it might make a higher low, and it could just keep on going up. Like I said, longs definitely should be the priority for everybody. Now going down to the 1 hours where I got my Fibonacci retracement on here, this definitely looks like 5 waves to me, which is why I feel like it's more likely at wave A. I think this is more likely going to bounce off a fib level, maybe the 61.8, maybe even the 78.6. If it does make that Fibonacci bounce, then I would definitely exit my longs, and I would know that at that point that it was a wave B, and I would start looking for shorts for the downtrend, probably for a wave C. Now, if you don't get this Fibonacci bounce, if you do not get that break of structure to the downside, then I would not go short, but instead, if you do trade the 1 hour time frame and below, I would actually continue to look for longs until you get that Fibonacci bounce with a break of structure. If you just get a Fibonacci bounce and no break of structure, then that would not be an entry to go short, and that may even be another opportunity to go long again. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here in the corner. As always, thanks and happy trading.